You're not.
You want to get new batteries right there?
Yeah, go get batteries. Wait, there's batteries? Yeah, it's going.
Hi.
You soldier boy.
Oh. Marcy, you want to have sex with Soldier Boy? What?
You want to have sex with who?
Soldier Boy. I do? Yeah.
I think
No,
it's freaking
you
sexy.
sleep yesterday. You told me you're sleepy. You're like, I love Soldier Boy.
She slept with me last night.
I do with the... Who said I was in her room?
Ew, what, were you spying on us?
What?
Not that me and Marky would do anything to spy over, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Because I told Fred and I was like, yeah, because he said, he was like, something about lesbian or whatever. I was like, why do you think Marky spent tonight? He's like, what? I was like, I'm just kidding.
Look at all these matches that have. Actually, don't tell people about it.
Oh, look.
I'm like a pirate, dude.
You didn't know what the fuck a pyro is a couple days ago.
What?
It smells like smoke.
A pyro is a person that...
No, it smells, I know, it smells like fucking smoke. You're stupid.
Like, who's saying things outside? Damn it. You know Granny Ashley, I mean, Veronica?
We'll put some fucking thing.
What is wrong with you calling me Veronica? I call my friend Veronica Victoria. She's like, who's Victoria?
Hey, whose turn is it? Whose turn is it?
I call Victoria Veronica. No, what you call
Ahumada.
Victoria. I said, don't worry, I call Victoria Veronica.
Hello? Marky, it's your turn.
I'm in jail. Come on.
Oh, well then.
How many turns do you have?
That's your turn, Victoria. I mean, no, it's your turn.
6. You have 1 second prize in a beauty contest.
Oh, look, Marky.
That's how much.
$10 is worth all that.
More like 5.